In order to install JDK 17, first step, we need to download it. In your search engine, you can type download JDK 17, press enter. We can see in the search result, we have the links from oracle.com, Java AC17 archive downloads. Click on this. Here, if I scroll down, we have the JDK 17 for different operating systems. At the bottom, we have the Windows related options. We have the compressed archive, installer, MSI installer. Any one of them we can use. I'm selecting the last one, the MSI installer. Click on this. Go to this download folder. This is the Windows installer. We can double click on this installer. It's preparing to install. Click next. By default, it is showing the folder where this JDK would be installed. I want it to be installed in a custom folder rather than inside the program files. So I want to change this location. Click on change. And here under the folder name, I'm going to provide my custom folder location. For me, this is the folder where I want my JDK to be placed. Just copying this location, and here I'm replacing my directory location. If you want, you can do the same thing, or you can skip this option. Clicking on OK, click next. The installation would take a while. Once it is complete, I'll resume the recording. JDK 17 is successfully installed. Click on close. Go inside this Java directory, JDK 17, copy this path. Now we need to set the Java home variable. For that, we can press the Windows button, type env for environment variables. Click on this edit the system environment variables, or you can click on this open. Click environment variables. Under system variables, click new. As variable name, provide Java underscore home. Under variable value, paste the JDK location which I copied. Click OK. Now this Java home variable we need to append to the path variable. This is the path variable. Click on edit. Here you can see after Java installation, by default this is created. We don't want this. Click on edit text. Click OK. Press the home button to go to the beginning. Now very carefully, keeping this semicolon, you just remove the entire thing at the beginning. Shift home, backspace. That entry is gone. Now percentage Java underscore home percentage slash bin. After bin, make sure you have the semicolon. Click OK. OK again. Finally, I'm clicking OK for the system properties. Now we need to check whether our JDK is properly installed or not. Let's open a command prompt. Type java-version. Now Java 17 or JDK 17 is properly installed in our system, and Java home variable also set properly.